Is it necessary to use underlay when installing laminate flooring on concrete?
Hello, and welcome to our video on the essentials of installing laminate flooring. Today, we're specifically discussing a common question. Is it necessary to use underlay when installing laminate flooring on concrete?
What is underlay?
Underlay is a thin layer of material placed directly underneath your laminate flooring. It serves a multitude of functions including soundproofing, comfort, and moisture protection.
Why is underlay necessary for concrete subfloors?
Concrete subfloors present unique challenges that underlay can help address. The three main reasons why underlay is critical are: 1. Moisture protection. Concrete can easily transmit moisture. An underlay acts as a barrier, preventing this moisture from reaching your laminate flooring and causing damage such as warping or swelling. 2. Comfort and insulation. Concrete is hard and cold. A good underlay can add a bit of softness to the hard surface, and it also provides some insulation, keeping your floors warmer. 3. Sound absorption. Without underlay, walking on laminate flooring can create an echo or hollow sound. An underlay can reduce this noise, providing a better acoustic experience.
Can I install laminate flooring on concrete without underlay?
Technically, you can install laminate flooring on concrete without underlay, but it's not recommended. Without underlay, you risk moisture damage, uncomfortable walking surfaces, and unwanted noise. While skipping this step might save you money in the short term, you may end up with damaged floors that require costly repairs or replacement. In conclusion, while it's technically possible to install laminate flooring on concrete without underlay, it's not advisable due to potential damage risks. The use of underlay provides a crucial protective barrier, enhanced comfort, and noise reduction, making it a worthy investment for your flooring project. We hope this video has been helpful and provides clarity on the necessity of underlay when installing laminate flooring on concrete. Happy flooring!